Lesson 24, Triangle Mid-Segment Theorem. The objective for this lesson is to prove and use properties of triangle mid-segments, and your vocabulary is the mid-segment of a triangle. A mid-segment of a triangle is a segment that joins the midpoints of two sides of the triangle. Every triangle has three mid-segments, which form the mid-segment triangle. If we look at the picture here, we see that X, Y, and Z are the midpoint of the sides of the triangle. If we connect those, they become a triangle inside the triangle PQR. The vertices of triangle XYZ are -1, 8, 9, 2, and 3, -4. M and N are the midpoints of XZ and YZ. We want to show that MN is parallel to XY and that MN equals 1/2 XY. So step 1, we want to find the coordinates of M and N. We use the midpoint formula, and we get that the midpoint of XZ is 1, 2. The midpoint of YZ is 6, -1. We want to compare the slopes of MN and XY. The slope of MN is -3/5. The slope of XY is -3/5. Since the slopes are the same, MN is parallel to XY. Step 3, we will compare the heights of MN and XY, or their lengths. MN is, using the distance formula, the square root of 34. XY is 2 times the square root of 34. Since the square root of 34 equals 1/2 times 2 square roots of 34, MN is 1/2 of XY. The relationship shown in example 1 is true for the three midsegments of every triangle. A midsegment of a triangle is parallel to a side of the triangle, and its length is half the length of that side. Let's use this to find measures. We want to find BD. Using the midsegment theorem, BD equals 1/2 of AE. Substitute 17 for AE, and BD equals 1/2 times 17. If we simplify, BD equals 8.5. For example 3, we want to find the measure of CBD. So CBD, this is this small angle up here. Using the midsegment theorem, DF is parallel to CA. Alternate interior angles theorem lets us say that CBD is equal to BDF. Substitute 26 degrees for BDF, and the measure of angle CBD is 26 degrees. For example 4, in an A-frame support, the distance PQ is 46 inches. What is the length of the support ST if S and T are the midpoints of the sides? Using the midsegment theorem, ST equals 1/2 PQ. If we substitute in 46 for PQ, we get that ST is 1/2 of 46, and simplifying, we get that ST is 23. The length of the support ST is 23 inches. Now you try. We have several pages. See you next class.